Yeah?
Yeah. Probably like
A lot?
at least 25% of the cars are gone.
Huh, no kidding. Oh, you have the Ferrari in your group? That's awesome. Is it hard for you to hear me?
No, I can hear you.
Cool.
I don't think I'll have the presence of mind to like really put into action your suggestions, but feel free to yell at me.
No, just focus on your turns. There's no point over revving the car. Just drive it how you would drive it. I'll just watch it. Later turn in. Try not to hit the berm necessarily. Later turn in will give you more track. Right? Oh, you gotta coast this, right?
Yeah.
Putter up. Yeah, just mash on the gas. I don't think you do that.
Okay, that's the tower.
Yep. Dip in, go, gas. Brake here, early, brake, brake, brake. Let go, brake again. And shift down, 3. Don't overcook it. Go, 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 gas, 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 gas. Stay high on the right, stay higher on the right. Too far down, too far down. Gas. Turn in. Gas, gas. Brake early here. Brake early. Brake, brake, brake down to 2. Turn in, gas. And just wind out to the right. There you go. Breaking it straight. There you go. 3. I just leave it 3 and then turn in. Screw that apex. Aim for the second one. You don't need, the first one's not important. The second one, you just gas out, gas out. Go all the way to the left. Stay off the curb, stay off the curb. Brake, 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 brake. Now turn. Aim for the yellow. Now go. Gas, 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 gas all the way out. Go, 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 go. Let off. Brake, no, too much brake. Let it go. Gas, 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 gas. Gas all the way out. Go back in 4. You're gonna brake and cruise. Just roll up, go, left. Just go, gas, gas. Right there, go. So it's good. Gas. Out. Brake. 3. Oh, brake again. 3, 3, 3. Don't overcook this. Don't overcook this. Save your tires. Save your tires. Go right, 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 right. Stay to your right. Stay to your right. Don't overgas. Don't overgas. Don't overgas. Wait here. Wait on the left. Right on the right. On the right. You need a wider apex. Gas, 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 gas. Come on out. Come out. come more out to the right when you're up there. Brake, turn in, aim for the yellow. Go, gas, gas, gas. You could be gassing. Once your car's aimed, gas. Brake early, brake early, brake early, brake early, brake early. 2. Aim for the thing. Wind out, wind out, wind out, wind out, wind out, wind out, wind out. Alright, now turn, just screw the first one. Second one, aim for the second. You need later. Further out a little bit next time. Less gas, you're cooking your front. Gas, go, 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 go. Brake, brake, brake. Wait. Now, got the yellow, go. Just track out, there you go. On this one, brake a little bit, touch the brake, aim the car, go. Go. Get it on. Right, stay to right. Brake, cruise. Turn in. Yeah, good. Gas. Stay on the track though. Alright. You're good. Overcook this. Gas. Your car's gonna keep rotating if you don't gas. With all-wheel drive on this car, you squat, you'll go. Brake early. Brake. Over the hump. Brake. 3. Too much over. Loosen up. Go easy down here. Stay to the right. Just cruise this. When you see that yellow, aim for the yellow and go. Gas. It's not gonna grab unless you gas. Brake, turn, now turn, gas, you're good. You feel that rear end sliding? As soon as it slides, when you hit gas, it'll grip. Brake early. 2, tap the center, and track out. Go around him. Just relax, no rush. Wait, turn, aim for the second, later. 2, still a little bit too close in. Go easy, you're rolling your tires now. Straight. Brake. Go, gas, you got it, gas, there you go, gas, don't let off. Brake, get your car aimed, turn, go. A little bit early. Go. Get to the right. Brake. Left, aim, gas. You gotta get the car to grip. Go. Whatever. Don't overcook this one. Slow up. Gas. There you go. Brake at the crest, let off. Brake again, there you go. Go to the left. Don't overcook this. To the right. Yeah, a little. Stay to the right. And just coast it. Just coast it. Coast it. You gotta hit right. Gas. All the way out. There you go. You gotta brake. Aim for the thing. Gas. Making sense? It's good. Brake early. Brake. Down to 2. Turn. Gas out. Go to the right. Go. Outrun them. Go. Rip it. Alright, ease up. Don't brake yet. Brake. In the straight. Down to 3. Take your time on this. Later. Now turn in. You see that yellow? Hit that now. Don't hit the yellow, but like, yeah. Oh, don't overcook it. There you go. Gas. Go, 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 go. Brake. Hit the yellow. You see the yellow? Go. As soon as you see the yellow and you know you got your car turned in, gas. Brake. Get car aimed and go. Gas, 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 gas. Go, 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 go. He's back to the right. He's back to the right. He's back to the right. Brake early. Brake, 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 brake. Turn in. Gas, 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 gas. Just gas. You need the grip. You need the grip for gas. There you go. You got it. You can feel it, right? When it rotates, when you hit the gas, it suddenly grips more. Go easy on this. Go easy on this. Don't overcook it. Brake. Dip. Gas, 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 gas. Come out. You gotta come out. Track out a little bit. Brake early. Brake, 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 brake. As soon as you clear the crest, you'll brake again. 3. Stay to the left. Now dump to the right. Don't overcook. Don't overdrive it. There you go. There you go. Gas, gas. There you got it. Just stay here. Stay here. Just kind of hold it. Just cruise, cruise, cruise. Be smooth. Gas, gas. He's on the gas. He's on the gas. He's on the gas. There you go. Nice, nice. Brake. Get your car pointed. Now gas, 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 gas. When you gas, the car will grip. Just go easy on this guy. Brake early. Brake early. Brake early. Stay off the curbs. Tuck, 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 go. Gas out, gas out. Go easy, go easy, go, 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 go. Just drive smooth, drive it smooth. Do not brake until the straight. Aim and make a straight line, now brake. 3rd. Brake a little early, that's okay. Brake, late turn, single apex it. Just wide, wide, wide. Cut in, cut in, cut in, cut in. Cut in, cut in. Yeah, a little gas, a little gas, a little gas. Go, 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 go. There you go. You feel a tire, right? Brake, brake. Wait till a turn. You got to point it. Gas. It's a little early. It's a little early. A little early. You go track wide if you do that. Take your time. Don't worry about the car. Gas. Gas, 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 gas. 0.5. Forward. Get forward. Track, gas. You see the yellow, right? So you see the yellow, gas. When the car's rotating, as soon as you get the right line, you hit the gas, it'll turn. Brake early, brake early, brake early. Clutch, turn in, gas, 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 gas. You got to be careful right there. If you don't gas early enough, your car's gonna come around. Brake, hard brake, off the brakes, hard brake again. You could be farther to the right, but that's fine. Don't overcook this tire. Don't cook it over here. Don't overcook it. There you go. Just take your time on that. Just ease in. There's no rush. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Gas, 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 gas. Ease out, ease out. There you go. You gotta track out a little bit. Brake. It's okay. Turn in. Turn in a little bit early. Gas, gas, gas. Just go easy on. Don't worry about the cars behind you. They got passing the straight. 2. Just clip it and track out and just wave it by. Wherever you want to go, just go. Go, 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 go. Be smooth, you're good. Just be smooth, you're good. What? You are losing brakes? Alright. 3. Don't double apex. Brakes are gone?
Brakes are gone.
Alright. It's fine. Just ease it in. So you know you need better pads.
No, like I have no brake pressure.
Yeah, that's a.
There's no.
It's all the way to the bottom?
Huh?
All the way to the bottom? Yeah, just cruise. Go forth. Just forth and turn it. Don't even bother gassing. Yeah, there you go. Gas, gas. Just hug to the right, hug to the right. Is the guy behind you point by? Wide out, stick your hand all the way out so you can see it. There you go. Drop to the floor. Just drop to the floor, the pedal. Nice. That's awesome, man. Is that fun?
Dude, that's awesome. I have no brakes. How the hell am I gonna get home?
No, it'll come back. Just go easy. I'm just gonna cruise through this now. Go. Yes. Don't go too slow, but I mean don't overrun it. You gotta go stop, right? So. Brakes pretty toasty?
Brakes are
Nice.
out.
Brake earlier. Brake. There you go. Turn in. Go. Good. Stay to the right. Don't brake. Just cruise it. Just cruise. You know what? Just hold the line as if you're driving it. You need to go wider. Yes, a little bit. You don't need a boost. Just stay up. You don't have to stop here. So. Blinker. Good. Cool. Yeah, make sure you make this turn. Is that fun?
This is freaking awesome.
Did that help the instruction a little bit?
Yeah, no, it gives me a lot more confidence.
Yeah, but you feel right. The car rotates.
I was waiting too long to get back on the gas.
Yes, get on it earlier, and then your car will grip like a mother.